Yes. These are more examples for you. Can you repeat this word after me? Tree.
Tree. Not tree. Tree.
Tree.
Steam.
Steam. Steam.
Steam.
What does steam mean?
What? What? You can steam some food or something.
Yeah, and when you steam it, that's yes. You can see the air, right? You like steamed eggs? Very good. What about this word? Heat. Heat. Read. Read. This was an easy example that nobody wrote, but you can do it later. Bead. Bead. You hear the long E? It's not just bid, it's bead, right? No. Team. Team. C. C.
Isn't that supposed to be waves?
No, this is the C. But yes, there's a picture of waves as well. Least. Least.
You have the least amount of
He.
candy.
He.